Welcome back, guys. Don't be fooled by the palm tree behind me. We are unfortunately still in the UK. We're at some lovely services in Medway. Today we're doing a trip from London to the seaside. We're gonna go to Broadstairs. Don't know anything about Broadstairs, never been there before. Is it gonna be a bit fancy and posh? I'm not sure.
It's a new day, new adventure. My God, is it windy? Bloody hell. Oh. Oh my God, that's so empty. I've got no idea what they're building there, but look at the scale of that. That's fucking massive. Oh my God, we made it. There's the sea. But this beach is really nice, man. Look at this beach. Look at that. Oh look, some people made a sandcastles. Sandcastles? Oh shit, they even did tunnels. It's actually pretty sick. Sick. Guys, there's a crab swimming pool. How cool is that? We made it to Broadstairs. I'm actually surprised how nice it looks. It's so chill. I mean, just look at this view. That is so cool, man. No. This place is a graveyard for crabs. There's even a decent leg there, look. That's a pretty good leg. That's like... I should not have done that. Some sort of snow crab or something. Oh man, this is such a cool view. Look at this. I don't know anything about Broadstairs at all. I think that I read it used to be called like Broadstairs or something. They changed it to Broadstairs a while ago because there's like some broad stairs that lead to the sea. That's like chalk stairs or something. This massive sea wall that goes all the way around. And this beach that we're on, which I think is the most touristy beach, the most popular one, is called Viking Bay. Viking Bay. And there's all kinds of other Viking named sort of things around. So I think we're going to climb up the hill now and let's check out what is up there to eat. I love that they decided I'm just going to tag Dave. Dave's a good name. Oh, there's a kitty cat. He's ignoring me. Come on, kitty cat. Don't ignore me, kitty cat. I know you want pets. I know you want to be petted. Where are you going? Look at that, guys. That's sick, man. It's very dead atmosphere. But I guess end of the summer, because it's the end of the summer, all the kids are back, and this place I think is just recovering from probably a summer of crazy shit. Wow, that looks old. The York Gate. About the time of Henry VIII, a small wooden pier appears to have been built here. Interesting. 1811. 1811 for the York Gate. That's the cinema right there, check that out. Viking Coastal Trail. That sounds pretty sick. Viking Coastal Trail. There's a lot of pubs. People definitely like a drink. I know where we're going to eat. We're going to get a fish and chips. Fish and chips. Pretty cool actually. It beats the ones we see in London. There's even a seafarer. What's this one? A hotel? Oh, they got like a stained glass window. What is this? A pub? It's another one. This place smells like garlic bread. Look at that right there. Sardinia restaurant. Here. Lovely. Italian, more Italian restaurant. It's a lot of Italian, but I haven't seen any Italian people. that looks so sick. Look at that. Historic building of Kent. Wow. It's a cool house. Let's go up here. Oh, a shooter bar. A lot of pubs. I think it's just that it's that classic seaside thing of like there being plenty of pubs and plenty of fish and chips. You pretty much just eat fish and chips, just get drunk. There's another one there, Star of the Sea. Fish and chips and drink, £9. That's actually pretty good, £9. It does say fish though, we don't know what fish that is. If it's gonna be a cod or a haddock. Cod or a haddock. Some random shit from the town council. Let's see what they care about over here. Boot fair, Paul Simon story. Having financial problems. Speak to the loan shark. The counting house. Bar, there's another bar. Bloody hell. We've got a lot of choices for drink. So I don't know why we're going into an Irish accent. I'm gonna stop. It just gets stuck. How much does it cost for a house? Fucking A. 1.2 million. 2.2 million. Fucking A. 700k. I think it is a bit fancy here. I don't think it's just ordinary working class place, is it? Yeah, let's see how their bus stops look like in Broadstairs. Because normal bus stop in London is red with like grey on it. Their one is black. Interesting. The whole thing is black. Or it used to be red. And they painted it. Oh, fish and chips. More fish and chips. Great. Oh, they got a park. Maybe we should check it out. Maybe it's got homeless people inside it. Is it much of a park? No. Not really. There's not a whole lot going on. Someone's stuff there. Knife amnesty. I've never seen one of these. Put your knife in the bin. Or grab a knife. There's a Stella in there. It's not for Stella. What is that? Oh, hang on, this is the real front of it. What is it called? Pierremont Hall. Pierremont Hall. I think it's a little bit fancy. It does look quite cool. Look, they've got some banging chandelier up there. I don't know if you can see that. Now it looks like, I don't know where we are. We're heading away from the main centre. I find it funny, there's on a sign over there, there's a place called Dumpton, which is like, if the place ended up actually being really beautiful, it would be quite funny, because you'd think it's named after a dump. It's not going to be beautiful. 5p! Oh my god. 5 pennies. Brilliant result. This is the main train station for Broadstairs. Pretty nice houses next to it. It's pretty scenic, but it's pretty much just a train station. Very nice. Even books. Hello. Was there an Irish guy? Who is this Irish man? Oh. Wow. That's pretty cool, man. I think that's where they play bowls. You know that game that the French people like petanque or something, where you've got to like roll the ball and you've got to hit the other balls. You've got to hit your nuts on some other nuts. Right, I think our parking slot is almost over. An hour and a half went surprisingly quick. Oh, it's nice, guys, isn't it? It's nice. Let's have a little look down here, see what's going on. I can't believe our visit to Broadstairs is almost at an end. An hour and a half went so quick. Wow. Wow, that's so cool. Let's go and find some chips. Look at that place, that looks proper old school, man. Morelli's ice cream cappuccino. Looks like proper 90s, doesn't it? Wow. It's a nice place. I like it actually. I like it. It doesn't seem fancy. People don't seem annoying. Fish and chips. Oh my god. Thank you very much.
It's going to be a couple minutes for fish cooking for you.
No problem, that's okay, thank you.
There was a celebration of something.
Where did I get you from when you were Sorry, I wanted to see the fish going in. Oh, that looks beautiful. Wow. I'm going to fall asleep on the drive home, I think.
There you go. Very nice.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Take care. See you. Look at it. Look at that. Look at how nice it is. And look, with a beautiful view of the sea. Tasty chip. Mmm. I don't know how I'm going to order. You know what I just realised? We didn't ask for a knife, so I don't know how we're going to eat the fish. I think we're just going to have to pick it up. But it's kind of a bit stuck to the chips. Oh my god. Why didn't we get a knife? How are we going to cut it? Maybe we can chop it with this. Oh god. It's a fat bit of fish right there. That's what the fish look like. Mmm. Super crispy, oh my god. Oh, I'm starting to get full. We managed to mash most of the fish, managed to destroy most of it, but there's the last little crispy bits and some chips. It looks like I haven't eaten much. At least the fish is gone. Just this mega crispy bit, and then there's just some random bits of fish. I would take them home for the dog, but it's a very long way to be carrying fish in my bag. So I don't think we'll be doing that. I think I'm almost finished. Oh my god. Sadly, it's time to say goodbye to Broadstairs, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe we'll be back again. Now we're going to see if the bike's got a ticket or not. Am I in trouble? God, look how dark that is. See, is there a ticket? There's nothing. I think we're fine. Oh, phew. I think we're going to be alright.